Hello dear viewers, and I just want you to see something here. This is part of river Nairobi, and as you can see so well, the river is well, not the river, but we're seeing the water is black, like literally black. You can see the surrounding surface. If you can see the water itself, let me bring you to somewhat a closer range. The water is literally black, and the stench from it, my friends, it is not appealing to the eye, or no, sorry, to the nose. It smells so bad. So, and this is the water, this water that could have been used had it been taken good care of because of pollution. If you could look under that a bridge, you can see there's a lot of plastics all over. Yes, the government is trying to try to clean it. Some plastics have been removed because a few weeks ago the plastic was just too much, and it's a bit clean, but the water is still black and stenchy. So we are trying to imagine what will happen. This is the water that we really need this water. We need it so much. Without water, you can imagine we might not be having enough organisms living here, because the water is inhabitable. So we know we have aquatic organisms that live in water, but now here they must have been destroyed. And you know how important those aquatic organisms are important in the balancing of the ecosystem. So we are trying to see how we can reduce plastic waste, to encourage people to especially those who are constructing buildings and what have you, for settlement and industrialization. We are trying to see how much we can encourage them to recycle or to treat their sewage, or to have it directed elsewhere, not just being released directly into the water, to have it as dirty as it is. So I'll be bringing you more episodes on this. Just keep posted, and as your environmentalists, we are doing something. We have to recycle these plastics, and we need to protect water, because without water there is no life. So I'll see you later, and have a blessed day. Thank you.